The Babymoov Duo Meal Station food processor with steamer offers a convenient and efficient solution for preparing nutritious meals for your baby. With its unique system, this food processor allows you to easily create delicious dishes while preserving the nutrients, vitamins, and natural flavors of the ingredients. Featuring 3 cooking trays with a steam juicer and a 3-speed blender, this food processor is programmable for various cook times, ensuring optimal cooking results. The large 12-cup capacity allows you to make up to 1 week's worth of fresh and nutritious food in just minutes, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Plus, the steaming bowl and blender can be used simultaneously to further expedite the cooking process. Cleanup is a breeze with the Babymoov Duo Meal Station, as its components can be detached and are dishwasher safe. The intuitive LCD control panel and audio alerts make operating this food maker a breeze, even for busy parents. Safety is paramount, and the Babymoov Duo Meal Station has been rigorously tested and approved by parents and nutritionists across the country. It is certified BPA, LEED, and phthalate-free, ensuring it is safe for your baby and your entire family. With its 6-in-1 design, this food processor saves space on your kitchen counter by combining cooking, blending, warming, and defrosting functions into one convenient appliance. It can also be used as a bottle warmer and sterilizer, further reducing the need for separate appliances. Whether you're a new parent or looking for a registry must-have, the Babymoov Duo Meal Station food processor with steamer is an essential addition to any kitchen.